Hello and welcome to a sort of thank you appreciation video. I keep thinking I'm going to do one of these like at 100k subscribers, and then I thought maybe, okay, I'll do it at 500k subscribers, and then I'm like, well, maybe I'll do it at like 1 million. I probably won't, and I think today is as good a day as any to say thank you for 765,000 subscribers. So the video I was actually going to release today was a bit more negative. Lately I've been digging into plagiarism and finding that it's a huge, or seemingly huge, problem. To put this in perspective, it seems like about 10,000 people, and I'm not talking about people just like copying and pasting accidentally or something like that. I'm talking about people who are taking entire projects and claiming it as their own, putting them on their resume. And it's a large number of people, and it's kind of a bummer. But then I think about 10,000 people and put that in perspective of 765,000 subscribers, and only 33% of you are subscribed. That gives me an audience of 2.3 million people. 10,000 people is insignificant. And what I want to do today is, rather than giving airtime to the negative stuff, I just want to say thanks for making 10,000 people insignificant. So first off, thank you to obviously all of the viewers, but also the subscribers, the people who saw my videos, which they're just programming education videos. Like, this is so much different than like a vlog channel or like an eye candy tech channel or something. Like, 765,000 of you saw pretty niche programming tutorials and click the button that basically says, yes, I want more of that. Right? You guys are all self-motivated learners that are choosing to spend your free time watching programming educational videos. You guys are very rare. So to have 765,000 of you that said that, and like, that's a huge number. That's like 10 big stadiums full of people that said, yes, I want more of that. That's insane. That's just truly insane. So first of all, well, second of all, thank you to the subscribers. Then there's the donors and the channel members. I'm putting you guys together because in my mind, you're basically the same. There are no perks, really. I mean, there are perks to being a channel member, but I'm confident none of you are channel members for the perks, other than maybe the you get to see Centex Uncut, the video that was going to come out today. but otherwise, there's really no perks. I'm confident you guys are all just supporting, just to support, and that's something pretty special on its own, that there's even one of you. So to all the channel members and donors, thank you very much for directly supporting me financially. That really does mean a lot to me. So thank you very much. There's a reason I call you guys awesome humans in the Discord. I had to come up with a name for the group, and the first thing that came to my mind was awesome humans. That's really what I think of you guys. So thank you. Next, speaking of Discord, we've got the moderators, and just the general Discord community has been really great. It's very difficult to have that many people in a chat together and to keep things relatively decent, and I really do appreciate the moderators and just the general community keeping it a good community. Also, for the moderators, I don't believe I asked any of them if they wanted to be a moderator. I just kind of like gave them the role, and they all assumed it great. So thank you guys. Sorry if any of you guys were burdened with the role. Along those lines, thank you to everybody who supports my mug addiction. Also, thank you to the helpers in the Discord. These are people, again, who just, because they're kind people, they've decided to help countless newbie questions in those 2 help channels in the Discord, and you guys are also awesome. So thank you to those people. Also, feel like I can't have a thank you video without thanking Daniel. Daniel's been working with me now formally for like a year, but he's been with me for longer than that, before I was paying him, just working for free. And he puts up with my stuff. I mean, he came in, he was covered in PHP. It was a mess, but we've got him nice and Pythonic now. And like I said, he puts up with my nonsense. So thank you to Daniel. He helps with tutorials. He helps with all kind, like everything. He's a jack of all trades in terms of helping me with this content creation business thing. So anyway, yeah. Again, thank you to everybody, because you guys really truly have made the number 10,000 insignificant, and sometimes just need a reminder that, like, I just don't realize how big the channel really is sometimes, and I just forget. And in discovering this problem, it, like I said, it's kind of a bummer, and then you realize, man, actually, it's kind of a blessing to be so big that 10,000 people is less than 1%. Like, that's awesome. And I really do. I wake up every day and I do really whatever the heck I want. It just so happens that this is what I want to do. But I get to learn about new and exciting technology. I just kind of hop around and work on and learn about things that I feel like learning about. And that's the best job I could possibly imagine having. So yeah, thank you to everybody for helping to make that possible. Anyway, that's all for now. I'll see you guys in another video.